Pantone Color of the Year 2021, Ultimate Grey and Illuminating Yellow are the two colors that have been launched by Pantone this year. You can use them both individually or as a combination. You can use their shades, tints, you can layer them up, do the ombre, many things. The color must be included in your collection, but before doing that, research, learn and explore on the basis of color significance and client's requirement. If Pantone has launched these colors, they are in demand, but they are not necessary to be mentioned in your collection. Make sure that. Color meanings. Pantone Illuminating Yellow is the positive color. It brings curiosity, it brings joyfulness. Yellow has always been a positive color in every collection, and this particular hue brings a lot of vibrancy in your life, which is much needed in today's times. The second color, which is Ultimate Grey, brings you solidity, solitudeness and rigidity. Rigidity is something that is needed right now, whereas the color yellow brings vibrance. This keeps you rooted to the ground so that you do not miss your values, rules and regulations. This clearly depicts a story of strength as well as happiness, the feelings we are hoping to nurture as we enter the new chapter of life. Definitely, because whereas yellow talks about the new upbringings, upcoming sessions, grey keeps us rooted to the old history. The collection that has been used by these colors have been used by various designers in their collection. The one of them is Alberta Ferrati in Spring Summer 2021. People have been living in grey sweatpants, right? We're not going to spend the rest of our lives in them, but the point is that we have learned to be okay with them and what they say about our lifestyles in 2020. The actress Eastman has said this during her interview, where she mentioned pandemic, and pandemic has affected everybody, not even a 1% that is left. That's why it is considered to be a very fatal pandemic. Moving ahead, some examples of designers collection are Etro SS 2021 has combined it using accessories, whereas Flying Solo Spring Summer 2021 has kept it monochromatic using the only hue grey, whereas certain images from the Fashion Week Spring Summer 2021 can be depiction that Illuminating Yellow and Ultimate Grey can be used in various formats, in various collections: ethnic, cruise wear, or lounge wear, or formal collection, or prints together as well as separates. It's just a guide, nothing to follow always. Yes, definitely Pantone has just given you a guideline. You're not bound to follow it, but to bring which color in highlight can clearly be depicted using this picture, where one side Illuminating Yellow is a highlight and the other side the grey one. Choice is yours. If this has helped you, please share and subscribe to my channel. Studio Query will bring you more such videos. Thank you.